Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up Brave browser. So let's go ahead and begin this tutorial. We're going to go ahead and open the settings first. And now that we are in the settings, we're going to proceed with the history. So I'm going to click this one right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and basically delete browsing data. All right, and we're going to go ahead and choose advanced, and then we're going to go ahead and set this one to all time, just like so. Make sure you're going to check all of these here and then click delete data. All right, now that has been fixed, we're gonna go ahead and proceed. So this time, let's go over to the extensions located on the left side here, and we're just going to go ahead and manage extensions. Now, the idea here, if you have any extension that you are not using, what is going to happen is that it's going to consume resources in your browser. So more resources being consumed means slower internet. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this one right here, for example, and let's close that one, and there you go. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is basically head over to the settings once again. And here in the settings, we're going to head over and look for the memory saver. So just click the search icon right here and type here memory saver. And then let's go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see this one right here. So as of the moment, it is disabled, which means that if I am using something, let's say, for example, Google, and I have opened another tab and this is not active anymore, what's going to happen is it's going to stop preloading. So it reduces resources being consumed at a particular time. So yeah, you can go ahead and set this one to moderate, balance, and maximum. So it's up to you. I'm just going to choose a balance, but if, say, for example, your PC is really slow, head over and use maximum. All right, now the last thing that we're going to do is DNS. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click this one right here and just type DNS. So what's going to happen is that we're going to go ahead and click security, and we're going to choose DNS provider. So there are different DNS providers here, and depending on where you are, this can actually feel different, right? The speed is going to be different depending on where you are. In my case, I'm from the Philippines, and Google DNS usually works well for me. I have also tried Cloudflare, and Cloudflare is also good. However, Google DNS worked the best for me. So, yep, those are the ways in order to make your Brave browser faster.